Hello everyone. We have a question where we have to express this 5y square minus 30y plus 50 in the form of 5 in the bracket y plus a whole square plus b. So basically we have a 5 over here. That means we have to take this 5 as a common. In other words, we can also say that the coefficient of y inside the bracket is positive 1. That means we also need the coefficient of y square as positive 1. That means we have to take this 5 as a common. So after taking 5 as a common from y square and y, we have 5 as a common and we are left with y square because 30 is a multiple of 5, so we are left with negative 6. You can also take a common from 50 as well. Then definitely this 50 would be converted to 10 because 5 tens are 30, and then this 10 would be inside the bracket. It is not wrong if you're doing that way. It is acceptable. You can do that. So after taking this 5 as a common, now the coefficient of y square is 1, and definitely that was a requirement. Now whatever is the coefficient of y, which is negative 6, divide that by 2 and square it. Whatever the answer comes, like we have 9 over here, just add and subtract the 9 inside the bracket like we have done over here. After adding and subtracting inside the bracket, whatever we have added, let it be inside the bracket. Whatever we have subtracted, just multiply that by 5 and move it outside the bracket like we have done. 5 times negative 9 is minus 45 with plus 50. So 5 was definitely there. Now whatever you can see inside the bracket is basically a perfect square. That means y square minus 6y plus 9 is basically a perfect square according to a square minus 2ab plus b square, because we have a negative over here, so negative over here, and that can be converted to a square form, perfect square form, which is a minus b whole square. So this bracket can be converted to y minus 3 whole square, and this negative 45 plus 50 when simplified gives positive 5, and there we are with the final answer, converting a quadratic standard form into a completing square form.